No fancy intros, no long-winded speech. Let's just go cut some limbs. Let's try not to trim the barbed wire. That is a giant sweet gum tree. Let's try to get this corner cut out before we stop today. I think that might just get us for this afternoon. Although I might lop this one off, who knows. This looks 100% better. Probably one more limb I need to cut down there, but the tractor can get up underneath everything, and that's all I'm looking for, is just get the tractor in a place where we can get in here and not worry about getting whacked in the head by some limbs. So we'll go down to clean them up. Maybe go over and feed the fish before we head in. Oh, pick it up twice. And there we have it. And tomorrow morning we'll come over here and start cutting. Get this one that's right in front of the camera. And everything down that fence line that's hanging out, hopefully. So that's going to get us covered for this afternoon. Nice little trimming project, about an hour and a half's worth. We'll see if we can't finish this thing off tomorrow. Well, good morning. It's hopefully the last day of trimming. Got my saw here just so you can take a look at it. I'm not sure you can tell. Looks like there's just a little bit of a ripple right about there, a little bend. This $500 Husqvarna chainsaw on a pole. Yesterday when I was cutting, it was on the ground in front of my side-by-side, and I said to myself, don't drive over your brand new saw. And I didn't. I picked it up. I put it in the back. I even went so far as to put a bungee cord around it, strapped it down. Then I proceeded to drive back up here, get the camera moved. You see that metal gate right there? When I turned the corner, I decided to hook the end of the saw in that metal gate and rip it out of the back of the four-wheeler, side by side, excuse me. So, no, I didn't drive over it. I just hooked it in the gate, snatched it out, and put a nice little ripple in it. Now, I've stood on it a little bit and gotten it straightened out, and it does run and it does cut. So maybe I've dodged a bullet. I don't know. I'm telling you, I can destroy anything. I could destroy just a solid rock. I mean, if you leave me enough time, I could just destroy it. There's no doubt. But maybe, like I say, maybe we got away with it. We're going to get the chaps on and we're going to go down and try to finish that last section and just do a little looking around, make sure everything's good. Get this trimming project off the books because it's been going on for days and days and a conversation for months. So let's get started. Let's go down there. Let's roll it and get going. Oh, boy, that thing is. It's really, really bent right there. Ay, ay, ay. We need to build something on that concrete pad. Maybe just an equipment cover. Let's take a look at how everything worked out in the end. One big pile here. Went down and trimmed a few more bushes or limbs that we missed yesterday. Got those out of the way. This run along the fence line looks pretty good. That piece right there, I'd love to get down, but it was just a little too tall. It all looks fairly cleaned up. That area is really rocky. There's a bunch of big rocks down there and a pile of barbed wire. So I don't get the bush hog up there. I just don't want to get close to the limb. So it all worked out fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reasonably sized piles today. And I can feel it. Kind of violated my rule. I got really tired and I should have stopped, but we were just so close. And now it's done, and I am relieved.